For the opening bell, U.S. indices falling on Thursday, pressured by shares in banks, insurance, and diversified financials. Decliners, they were ahead of the advancers, 84% of SP 500 constituents, trading lower yesterday. Now, after the market closed, Activision Blizzard reporting fourth quarter EPS of 83 cents, with sales of $2.1 billion compared to $2.2 1 year ago. The company reporting profit falling short of estimates, in part due to lower than expected sales of Skylanders and Guitar Hero video games. Moving on, CBS reporting fourth quarter adjusted EPS of 92 cents versus 77 1 year ago on sales of $3.9 billion. The company said fourth quarter ad revenue rose 1%, led by an 8% growth in network advertising. And AIG reporting fourth quarter adjusted LPS of $1.10 compared to LPS of 97 cents 1 year ago. The board of directors authorizing the repurchase of an additional $5 billion of AIG common shares and increasing the quarterly dividend by 14%. Turning overseas now, Asian markets declining today. The Nikkei reopening after being closed yesterday, down a total of 4.84%. Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index down 1.22%, and South Korea's Kospi down 1.41%. European markets are higher, and U.S. futures calling for a positive opening. Now, earnings release is expected for today. Ventas fourth quarter EPS seen at 49 cents, while on the economic data front, January import price index futures 8:30 in the morning, as well as retail sales advanced month over month. 10 o'clock this morning also sees December business inventories, as well as the February preliminary University of Michigan consumer sentiment read. Now, regarding the trend on indices, Trading Central says the SP 500 sees the downside prevail. The relative strength index just breaking below a rising trend line, so short positions below 1842 are favored, with targets at 1804 and 1765 in extension. The Nasdaq, that's capped by a negative trend line, preferring short positions below 4020, and the Dow Jones seeing the downside prevail, preferring short positions below 15,830.